I met a woman the other day and she said, "What do you do?" I said, "I teach yoga." And she said, "I hate yoga." Where do we go from there? Bit of a conversation stopper, but I said, that's really good news because I teach yoga that people who hate yoga start to love. Hi, I'm Kathy White Yoga, and I teach a method called Kaiut. Kaiut Yoga! Yay! Thank you, Francisco Kaiut, my teacher, for teaching me this kind of yoga. For me, yoga has been an amazing journey of 20 years. I've had incredible experiences, wonderful teachers, and there have been times where I too have hated yoga. I've hated the way that I've pushed myself. I've hated the way that I've felt I had to do it and it's become a discipline. When I found Kaiut Yoga, suddenly there was a natural inspiration that came just from my body itself, that my joints wanted to move in this way. It wanted to go into these poses and rest in them, to allow gravity to work them. And my body was inspired and started craving this yoga. So if you are one of those people out there who says, "I hate yoga," then please download my free videos and find out a new method that might open the door for you to love it. Welcome to Kathy White Yoga.